Hello everyone, I am Lata Awad, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. In today's lecture, we will discuss about some basic reactions in organic chemistry. So first of all, let us see the types of reaction. There are two types of reaction, polar reaction and non-polar reaction. So let us see the first types of polar reaction. There are 5 major types of polar reaction. First, addition reaction, elimination reaction, addition elimination reaction. Next is elimination addition reaction, and last one, substitution reaction. In polar reaction, there is a formation of positive and negative charges during the progress of reaction. Next, we will see the types of non-polar reactions. There are two types of non-polar reaction, radical reaction and pericyclic reaction. Pericyclic reaction are further divided into cycloaddition reaction, electrocyclic reaction, cheletropic reactions and 1,3 dipolar reaction. Next, we will see the types of polar reaction in details, in which first is addition reaction. A chemical reaction in which two or more reactant comes together to form a single product, called as addition reaction. Molecule having multiple bonds undergo addition type of reaction. Now addition reaction divided into two types of reaction. First one, electrophilic addition reaction, and next one is nucleophilic addition reaction. Now we will see the examples of electrophilic addition reaction. You can see here the example of electrophilic addition reaction in which alkene is treated with mineral acid or any organic acid, which shows the electrophilic addition type of reaction. In this reaction, ketone is treated with acid, shows electrophilic type of addition reaction. Now we will see the example of nucleophilic addition type of reaction in which nucleophile attack on this alkene and shows nucleophilic addition type of reaction. In another example, nucleophile attack on this ketone and shows nucleophilic addition type of reaction. Elimination reaction. Elimination is a type of reaction is mainly used to transform saturated compound to unsaturated compound. In this reaction, several atoms either in pairs or groups are removed from a molecule. The removal usually takes place due to the action of acid, bases or metals. This reaction is further divided into three types of reaction. First one, bimolecular E2 elimination reaction. Next one, unimolecular, that is E1 reaction. And next one is unimolecular E1CB reaction. Next, we will see the types of elimination reaction in which first, bimolecular, that is E2 elimination reaction. An elimination reaction in which the rate of reaction is depends on concentration of substrate and base, called as elimination reaction. In this reaction, bond making and bond breaking takes place simultaneously. It is one step reaction. So you can see here the example in which abstraction of proton and departure of leaving group take place simultaneously, and there is a formation of unsaturated product, that is alkene. Next type of elimination reaction is unimolecular, that is E1 reaction. An elimination reaction in which the rate of reaction is depends on concentration of only substrates. This reaction is two-step reaction in which first step is generation of carbocation and in second step is abstraction of alpha proton and formation of alkene. See the example of this reaction in which there is a formation of carbocation and after that abstraction of this alpha proton and formation of alkene as a product. Next, we will see the third type of elimination reaction, that is unimolecular E1CB reaction. An elimination reaction which occurs under basic condition where the hydrogen to be removed is relatively acidic, while the leaving group is relatively poor one. Usually strong bases are used for this reaction. Here you can see the example of this reaction in which bases abstract this proton and formation of carbon ion. After formation of carbon ion, the negative charge acts as a driving force and departure of leaving group and formation of alkene take place. Next type of reaction is addition-elimination reaction. The two-stage reaction process of an addition reaction followed by an elimination reaction called as addition-elimination reaction. See the example of this reaction in which double bond of benzene attack on this electrophile and formation of carbocation take place shows addition reaction. After addition reaction, conjugate base abstract this alpha proton and formation of product and shows elimination reaction. Next kind of reaction is elimination addition reaction. This two-stage reaction process of an elimination reaction followed by an addition reaction called as elimination addition reaction. The best example of this reaction is benzene mechanism, in which aryl halide is treated with strong base like NaNH2, which gives benzene intermediate. This benzene intermediate is treated with nucleophile and opening of this triple bond and formation of negative charge take place. After protonation, we got desired product. The next kind of polar reaction is substitution reaction. The reaction in which displacement or replacement of an atom or group of atom by other atom or group called as substitution reaction. There are two types of substitution reaction. First one electrophilic substitution reaction and second one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here you can see the best example of electrophilic substitution reaction is ipso substitution reaction, whereas nucleophilic substitution reaction is further divided into two parts. First one is aliphatic nucleophilic substitution and next one is aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. The aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is further divided into two types. First one is bimolecular, that is SN2 reaction, and second one is unimolecular, that is SN1 reaction. So we will first see the bimolecular SN2 reaction. The reaction in which one bond is broken and one bond is formed synchronously called as SN2 reaction. This reaction is one-step reaction in which transition state is formed. The backside attack is favorable in this reaction and get inversion in configuration. Here you can see the example of this reaction in which alkyl halide is treated with NaOH gives methyl alcohol as a product. The next kind of aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is unimolecular SN1 reaction. The SN1 reaction mechanism follows the step-by-step process, that is two-step reaction mechanism, in which first is formation of carbocation from the removal of leaving group and second is the carbocation is attacked by the nucleophile and formation of product is take place with retention in configuration. Here you can see the simple example of this reaction in which leaving group is departure first and formation of carbocation take place. After in second step nucleophile attack on this carbocation and formation of product take place with retention in configuration. The next type of nucleophilic substitution reaction is aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. The reaction in which direct amination takes place on aromatic compound with sodamide in presence of ammonia. Best example of this reaction is Chichi-Babin reaction. Here you can see the pyridine is treated with sodamide in presence of ammonia. We get aminated product. The next kind of reaction is non-polar reaction. In non-polar reaction, we will see the first type, radical reaction. A radical reaction is any chemical reaction involving free radicals. Many radical reactions are chain reactions with chain initiation step, a chain propagation step, and a chain termination step. The single-headed arrow shows movement of one electron from source to sink. This single-headed arrow shows movement of one electron from source to sink. Next, we will see the general step involved in radical reaction. The first step is initiation step, that is generation of radical. In first step, halide molecule in presence of light get homolytically cleaved and formation of radical take place. Here generation of chloride radical. This chloride radical further reacts with other molecule and formation of new radical take place. This new radical further reacts with halide molecule and formation of product take place, that is cyclohexyl chloride. In next termination step, this cyclohexane radical get dimerized and we get bicyclohexyl as a byproduct. Next kind of non-polar reaction is pericyclic reaction. A pericyclic reaction is the type of organic reaction in which transition state of molecule has a cyclic geometry. The reaction progress is concerted fashion. The bond orbital involved in the reaction overlap in a continuous cycle at the transition state. Reaction is mainly initiated by heat or light. The pericyclic reaction divided into following types. First one, cycloaddition reaction. Second is electrocyclic addition reaction. Third is sigmatropic reaction. Fourth is cheletropic reaction. And last one is 1,3 dipolar reaction. The first type of pericyclic reaction is cycloaddition reaction. In cycloaddition reaction, in which two or more unsaturated molecules combine with the formation of cyclic adduct, in which there is a net reduction of bond multiplicity. The best example of this reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. See this reaction, in this diene is reacts with dienophile, shows 4+2 addition reaction and get cyclic product. Next kind of pericyclic reaction is electrocyclic reaction. An electrocyclic reaction is a type of pericyclic reaction in which one pi bond being converted into one sigma bond or vice versa. Electrocyclic reaction further divided into ring closing electrocyclic reaction and ring opening electrocyclic reaction. So this is an example of ring closing electrocyclic reaction and this is example of ring opening electrocyclic reaction. The next type of pericyclic reaction is sigmatropic reaction. The sigmatropic reaction in which the migration of sigma bond across conjugated system take place. In this reaction, allylic proton can migrate. So this is an example of sigmatropic reaction. This proton can migrate over this carbon atom. This is 1,3 migration of proton sigmatropic reaction. Next type of pericyclic reaction is cheletropic reaction. In cheletropic reaction involves a transition state with a cyclic array of atom and associated cyclic array of interacting orbitals. A reorganization of sigma and pi bond occurs in this cyclic array. This is an example of cheletropic reaction in which insertion of group of atom take place and we get a cyclic product. Next kind of pericyclic reaction is 1,3 dipolar reaction. In 1,3 dipolar reaction, unsaturated system reacts with 1,3-dipolar molecule via concerted fashion to give cyclic molecule. Consider the example of this reaction in which alkene reacts with 1,3-dipolar molecule to give a cyclic adduct. Let us summarize what we learned today. We learned today major types of reaction, in which first is polar reaction. In polar reaction we learn addition reaction, elimination reaction, addition elimination reaction, elimination addition reaction, and substitution reaction. Or in non-polar reaction, radical reaction and pericyclic reaction. If you like this video, then press like button, share with your friends, and to get notification of new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.